This is going to be a short little snippet out of a larger video where I'm doing an LED taillight conversion, but I also put LEDs in all the way around on my 85 Cutlass, and I ran into some issues getting the blinkers to work. And a lot of that is tied in with the circuitry between the side marker and the front marker. So this is just going to be a quick little snippet out of that longer video about how to fix that blinker issue if you're putting LEDs in your G-body. Alright, so in an effort to put all LEDs in this car, come to the front. Apparently this is a common problem when trying to put an LED marker blinker light into the front. So right now I have an incandescent here and I got the LED up here, which really doesn't matter. The way this is wired up, and I didn't even know it did this, is that it alternates when the blinker's on. So when I pull out the bulb and try to put the LED in, the LED will light up, but now our side marker isn't lit up when the park light is on. The reason for that is the park light is grounding through the blinker marker bulb in the front when it's the incandescent one. Because on this incandescent, the outside band is ground and then it's got two power leads. Well, the first power lead is park light to turn it on so it lights up all on its own. The second one is connected to the side marker light, which is then connected to the same brown power, and it goes through and it grounds both out. Weirdly enough, it's not enough ground, like it doesn't light up both bulb circuits. So I'm not sure what's going on inside of here that it grounds out and makes it work. But that's how it's functioning. Then when I put the LED in, this is not allowing that circuit to complete as it goes through. And then when I go to use the blinker, nothing happens. But if I remove the side marker light, now it's blinking. So in order to get the front marker blinker to function properly and my side marker, I think I have to eliminate that alternating power function, and I'll be cutting the light blue wire for the driver passenger side here and grounding that separately so that when the park light switch is thrown, the brown wire gets power, it'll light up the side, it'll light up here, and then when the turn switch is engaged, it will flash just like this on the second power circuit to the front. It just won't be alternating back and forth because the LED bulb is not capable of having both power and ground supplied to that one point and being able to backfeed the ground. And here's what I did for the wiring. This is the front marker on the passenger side, so we have a dark blue in that circuit. It's light blue on the driver's side, and this is just the black wire for the ground. We cut the blue wire coming from the side marker, and we're just tying that straight into the ground. That way it gets power from the brown to turn on the marker lights to both lights. And then when the blinker goes to function, it's not able to backfeed like it was before to then blink the side marker. So now we're just letting the side marker be on its own and stay on. Alright, let's give this a try. Lights on. No, what do I have to flip that bulb over? Front's on. Yep, just had to flip the bulb over. Weirdly enough, some of these bulbs are directional. Alright, we got blinker there. With the lights on. With the lights off, we still have a blinker. Alright.